Hi, welcome to day 17 of my 21 tips for law firms. Today's tips are around reviews. Now, your law firm may have a review process, be it online or in paper. My tip for you is around Google reviews. You don't need a Google email address. It helps, obviously, but you only need to have access to a Google account to leave a review. So that could be a YouTube account, Google Drive, or Google Maps. So my recommendation for you today is, if you are engaging with clients to leave you reviews and they don't have a Google email address, give them the process via Google Maps, and I can share the link above of how you do this. Remember, making it easy for a client to leave a review is better than them trying to find out how to do it, because it will weigh down the process, it will lengthen it out. And if anything, most people these days don't like to leave reviews once a transaction or something is completed, we disappear off. So make it easy for them to leave you a review. My next tip, well, it's not so much a tip, it's more of a question for you. When was the last time that you had a great customer experience? For me, it would be a cafe in Far West Wales. Very easy. I went in with my wife Claire and Molly, my Labradoodle, and we essentially, as soon as we walked in, the woman asked, "Would you like a bowl for your dog?" I didn't even have to ask. And already I was beaming, because she'd seen I was with a dog, and my biggest priority wherever I go with Molly is, has Molly got some water? Well, that and dog treats as well, obviously. So straight away from the off, I was already having a great experience. The coffee smelled amazing, the cakes and everything else was brilliant. But she'd taken time to notice what was important to me. So my question would be to you, what's important to your clients, and when was the last time you had a great experience that you left a review on that you could possibly replicate within your law firm? Other elements around reviews are, law firms are now doing staged approach reviews. In other words, start, middle and end. Traditionally, a law firm will only ask for a feedback on a review right at the very end of a transaction. But imagine this. Imagine your client has a great welcoming right at the very beginning, lovely introduction to whoever they're going to be represented by. Everything, 90% goes brilliant. But right at the end, something goes wrong. It's not your fault, it's not the client's fault, whatever it may be, something has gone wrong. So how do you rectify that? Well, it's very hard to, but the only thing the client remembers is that bad thing. They don't remember all the good stuff at the beginning. So if you are doing reviews right at the very end, maybe you should consider doing staged approach reviews, because then you'll get a better picture of your client's experience. Now, the questions don't need to be war and peace. I've just had my insurance renewal go through, and the survey for that was 38 questions. I'm not answering 38 questions. But ask them key questions, 3 or 4 key questions at the beginning, middle and the end. You'll be surprised by the results. But also, it will help you tailor more marketing, reviews and collateral for future clients. So those are my tips for you. I've got a couple of gifts. The first gift would be basically around LinkedIn or social media or Google reviews. This is how to respond to negative reviews that are not your fault. So take a look, and if you've got any negative reviews where it's not your fault, genuinely, you can use this text to essentially state that this is a bogus review and it breaks the following guidelines and policies. I already have that text. Just message me direct or like or comment and I can send it through for you. My other gift for you would be a social media policy that can assist and help for you. And then thirdly, now this is a shameful plug, it would be Law League, which is our review software that we use for our clients. So if you're looking for something that's around the legal services, just message me and I can send you a link to a demo area that you can have a play and have a look at Law League. Sorry, shameless plug, I know. Thank you. Tomorrow I'm going to be talking about websites. I look forward to speaking with you then. Thank you. Bye-bye.